Is a payment problem stopping you from enjoying your next Uber Eats craving? Let's fix that. First, open your Uber Eats app, tap the account icon in the bottom right corner. Then select Payment to manage your payment methods. Make sure your preferred payment method is up to date. Double check the card number, expiration date, and CVV if anything is incorrect. Tap on the payment method to edit the details. Expired cards are a common culprit. Update it with the correct date. Do you have Uber Cash? Ensure you have sufficient funds or consider adding more. Also, ensure that the toggle to use Uber Cash is selected. If you're using a promo code, verify it's entered correctly and hasn't expired. Promo codes are case sensitive, so pay close attention. Still facing problems? Head back to the account section, tap Help, and then select Payment Issues. Here, you'll find answers to frequently asked questions and contact Uber Eats support for further assistance. Uber Eats support can help diagnose complex issues, such as unusual bank flags. And that's it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be back to enjoying your favorite meals in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.